Okay, so, okay, so this is Screencast 14 and this is a task for you. So what I want you to do is to set the snap grid to 100 by 100 millimeters, the reference grid to 100 by 100 millimeters, and then use a variety. It's really important. Use as many of these as you can, a variety of tools to write your name. Letters should be 1000 millimeters high and then give each letter a different color. So just to kind of give you an example of what I'm talking about, so there's the polyline tool using the straight straight line, so you won't go down one, go down that far, come in, down, ding, ding. That should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 1000 there. Across to here, I think. I'm just making this up as I go along just now. Along, up, down, down, there. There's an S. Or I might do, where's it? How wide was that one? 4. I might do something like that, and then choose my clip tool that I showed you before and chop out a couple of areas there to make the S. So there's 2 S's made in different ways, looking exactly the same. So I want you to go and write your name. Apologies if you've got a long name, it's just tough. If you've got a short name, then do your second name. It's just to get a handle on using the variety of tools here. Once you've done your letters, make sure they're all closed, and then choose some colours from either the classic or standard Vectorworks colours palettes, and give them different colours, and then we'll come back and do something with them. Okay, 2 minutes. Enjoy.